What's up, everyone? Gary here with Iron Peak Campers. Today we're taking a close look at the interior of the Apex 8.0. This is a slide-in truck camper that is built to give you serious off-road travels, 4-season off-grid, and a whole lot of adventure. So right away you'll notice one of the big things that this is a 96-inch bed length. This gives you the flexibility depending on the truck you're running. If you've got a 6 3/4 foot bed, you can run with the tailgate down. If you got an 8-foot bed, you can keep the tailgate up when traveling. Now this specific build comes in at 2,340 pounds with all the features and options included. So for this setup, we recommend a 3/4 ton or 1 ton truck. That gives you the right foundation to carry the camper and get the most out of everything this build is designed to do. Alright, let's dive in, take a look around, and I'll show you the layout, some of the details, and the features that make the Apex 8.0 such a solid option for getting out on the road. One of the first things you'll notice is the lightweight powder-coated aluminum cabinetry. This helps reduce the overall camper weight while still giving the interior a durable, high-quality finish. The color in this camper is our beige color, and we do offer 3 other color options. We can do a light gray, a green, and a blue. So it gives you a few options to choose from. You can find a color that best suits you. On this side we have 4 large storage compartments. It's great for food storage, plates, glasses, maybe some pots and pans can go up there. On this side we have another 4 large storage compartments for camping gear, clothes, maybe there's more kitchen items. And then down below we have 3 large storage compartments here. These are about 20 inches by 20 inches deep. Great large storage for griddles, pots and pans, the induction cooktop. And then here we have 2 pull-out drawers. These are approximately 14 inches wide by 18 inches deep. So great area for utensils, silverware. We have a little cubby up here above the fridge for storage. Throw some items up there from the bed. And in the back, we have a large, tall storage cabinet. Now this is great for clothes, coats, boots, other large camping gear. There's also a separate storage down here for smaller items. So it really gives you some area for storage. In the kitchen, we use a solid surface countertop. This is nice and durable, maintenance free, easy to clean. We don't use any wood that can warp, mold, rot. So it's a really durable material. Over here we have our stainless steel sink. It's a nice deep sink. Gives you lots of area for dishes, food prep. And this countertop gives you lots of area. This is about 6 feet here, so you got plenty of area for food prep, cleaning, things like that. In this corner, we have an outlet here. This is great for putting your coffee pot, your induction cooktop, maybe a griddle. We provide a single burner induction cooktop that's portable, so you can bring it outside to cook. You can use it in this area. You can move it anywhere along here. There's also an outlet in this corner and a USB, so it gives you more options here for cooking, coffee pot, things like that. Also, there's a large viewing window in the kitchen area. It gives you great sunlight, daylight, look at the evening stars. This camper comes equipped with a 12-volt, 130-liter fridge. It's a nice large fridge, so lots of space in this thing. Got adjustable shelves inside. On the door, it's got adjustable shelves. It also has a removable freezer. So if you don't need the freezer option, you can have more space in here. A couple pull-out drawers. So yeah, it's a nice, great, large fridge. Also down in here is our Truma Combi diesel heater. This will power our hot water and also our cabin air. And this one's on board, has 20 gallons of water tank down in this area, and a 6-gallon gray water down in here. So the gray water will come from the sink, and also our in-floor shower pumps up to the gray water tank. This camper comes with our optional north-south cabover. So this is an extended length of 80 inches. And this up here is a king-size bed. And up here you can see we have some storage up in here. So we have 110 outlets, USB outlets, a couple reading lights. And also on the back side of the fridge cabinet, we have another outlet and USB. As you can see, also has 3 large windows up here. Gives lots of daylight. This camper comes with a large seating and dinette area. This is about 6 foot here, 4 foot here, and 24 inches deep. So it gives you a nice large area for eating, playing cards, games, things like that. The material that we use is umbrella cloth material. It's durable, easy to clean. You can take the covers off, throw them in the wash machine, put them back on. So it's a really great soft material to use. We also have a lagoon table that's removable. You can throw it in a storage compartment for storage. And then you also have this table that, this moves in different areas here. We also have a large window above the dinette area for viewing, letting in daylight. In fact, this camper's got 5 large windows. So it lets a lot of light in. Makes it feel like an nice open space. This camper has our optional in-floor storage and shower pan. So right here we have 2 in-floor storage units. And then our shower pan is located up here in front of the door. So basically you would lift this cover off. And it acts as the shower pan. And then there's a curtain that hooks up here and drops down into the inside of the shower pan. And down in here is our mixer valve for the hot and cold. And then our shower output that you hook your hose to. And this can also go outside if you want to take an exterior shower. It can be used outside, inside, but everything's inside for 4-season use so it doesn't freeze. Now our shower pan has a drain, and this will drain into your gray water. We have a pump that's hooked up to it. So you turn the pump on when you shower, and it'll suck it out into the gray water. So your pan stays dry and stuff. Now for our in-floor storage, you just lift the cover off. And this is about an 18 by 24 by about 4 inches deep compartment. So this is great for items like shoes, wet gear, or just any other things that you want to store. So you can get that with 2 of them or none. So many different options here to do for your in-floor. And along the side here, we also have some cubby holes down here. So this will give you some more storage room down in here for smaller gear and stuff. For a toilet option, we use a Trillino composting toilet. It's tucked back here underneath this cabinet, kind of back in the corner. So it's easy to access. You just basically pull it out. And it's ready for use. And when you're done, you can just tuck it back in that corner, and it's well hidden away. So this is a great composting type toilet, easy to use, easy to store. So let's talk about power. So standard, our campers come with a 460 amp lithium battery with 320 watts of solar on top. It also has the Victron 3000 watt inverter charger with a Victron DC-DC charger and a Victron solar charger. Everything is housed in this compartment. It's easy to access, easy to maintain or repair if you need to. And everything is ran off our Victron screen. This one also has the Safari digital switching unit, which that means you can control all your lights on this screen. You can dim them, power them on, off, along with all your other units. Your water pump, everything, fridge is all controlled on here. Now this particular unit has an additional 460 amp battery. So this has 920 amps of battery power with an additional 320 watt solar on top. So a total of 640 watts. So that's plenty of power to do your AC, which is 12 volt. This is a 10,000 BTU AC unit with a built-in max fan. So this will give you air in and out along with an AC unit all in one unit. So as you can see, this is a pretty robust electrical system in this.